severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morgan County in north central Georgia, northwestern Putnam County in central Georgia, northeastern Jasper County in central Georgia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over central Georgia. Experiment St. or 9 miles northwest of Eatonton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Include Madison, Shady Dale, Godfrey, and Central Georgia. Experiment St. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather